So a few days ago, my Chevy Colorado started exhibiting some weird symptoms. The temperature gauge was all the way down at cold, even when the car was on. The AC stopped blowing cold. And when I turned the ignition off, the fan kept running for about 2 minutes. So I checked online, and the thing that everybody said you got to get is the temp sensor, which is this piece here for, I don't know, it was like 12 bucks at AutoZone. There it is. It's almost impossible to locate and find unless you're like really know what you're doing. So this was the fix that I did. Come this way. It was free and it took me 10 minutes. Get to your battery. I just took that little nut off. You don't have to take it all the way off, just loosen it quite a bit. Pulled this off, left it off for about 10 minutes. Hooked it back up, and everything started working again. The temperature gauge is working, AC's blowing cold, the fan isn't running anymore when the car's off. I don't know, 3 days in, free fix. Give it a shot. It could cost you, $500 to $1,000 to get this done at a dealer. So might as well try it first. Don't get mad at me if you're a mechanic. Bob's your uncle.